Hey friends, welcome back. Today in this video we'll solve this radical problem. So for solving this problem, first of all we'll try to make this expression in the form of square. So if we square this, we can cancel the square root and square value. So for making this as a square, this value should be negative 2 times a times b, and this value should be a square plus b squared, so that we can get it as a minus b whole square. So now making this expression in this format, we'll first manipulate 30 square root 21. So here we can split 21 as square root 7 times square root 3. So the multiplication of these two square value will be 21, and now we'll have to split 30 as 2 times AB, means we have to first split by 2 and the another value will be 15, so it is 15. 15 we can split as 5 and 3, so 5 and 3 we can split 30, so it is 2 times 5 times 3. Now we can manipulate it. 2 times 5 square root 7 times 3 square root 3. Now for checking, if we will multiply 2 and 5 is 10, 10 times 3 is 30. So here it is 30. 7 and multiplied by 3 is 21. So it is 30 and 21. Now we have 2 here and it is as A. So this value is A and it is as B. Now we will square it. So if we square 5 square root 7 square, so it will be 5 square. And another term will be square root 7 and its square. So here square and square root cancel. This 5 square is 25 and times 7. 25 7 is 175. So the next value is 3 square root 3. So we have 3 square root 3. So we can write it as 3 square times square root 3 square. Square and square root gets cancelled. Here 3 square is 9 times. Here it is 3. So 9 3 is the 27. So we have 27. Now if we add this term, so now in the next step we'll add 175 plus this value 27. So it is 7. So this value will be 202. So here we have also 202. Now we'll write this expression as, we can write it as square root. The value here is 5. 5 square root 7 is 5 square root 7 whole square plus square b square. Here it is 3. It is 3 square root 3 and square minus 2 times ab we have written here. It is 2 multiplied by 5 square root 7 times 3 square root 3. So now if you look at, it is a square plus b square minus 2 times a times b. So we can write it as a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is equal to a minus b whole square. So now according to this formula we can write 5 square root 7 minus, it is 3 square root 3 and its whole square, it is having under root. Here under root and square value gets cancelled, so we can write 5 square root 7 minus 3 square root 3. Our answer of this question.